Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Philips GC1905 Steam Iron. On the front of the box, we have an image of the iron itself. On the right hand side, we have a little illustration on how the water tank of the iron can be filled. And on the bottom, we have a little bit of slogan that says faster from start to finish. On the left hand side of the box, we have an image of the iron with a burst of steam coming out from the bottom. The rest of it is pretty much the same as the front. The right hand side of the box is exactly the same as the left. The top has a sticker on which we have some of the manufacturing information and some of the details regarding the customer care as well. Over here we have the website of the brand, and over here we have the some of the warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. The back of the box has a few of the salient features and uses of the iron. The first illustration is pretty much the same as we saw on the front. Over here we have an illustration of the holes on the bottom of the iron through which the steam escapes out of. Over here there is a bit of writing that says easy gliding on all fabrics. It also can produce steam continuously, and it has a pointed tip which allows it to reach hard to reach places on the clothes that you are ironing. It also has a large 180 ml water tank and spray function. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the user manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device so that you understand its various functions and features. Coming to the iron now, we can see that it has a primarily blue and white color theme going for it, with some purple highlights on the various control points of the iron, like the thermostat, the buttons on the handle, etc. While on the subject of the handle, we have the spray button in a good thumb's reach, which when pressed will release a jet of water through this nozzle on the top. Above that button, we have a knob that controls the level of steam, and it can be turned to increase or decrease the amount of steam that the iron produces. Above that, we have a little hatch through which you can fill the water tank of the iron. Lastly, we have the nozzle that I spoke about earlier. Next to the nozzle, we have some Philips branding along with the 1900 series branding. Underneath the handle, we have the thermostat that can be used to control and adjust the temperature of the iron according to the different materials that you are ironing. Those materials are listed out on the thermostat, and it is very convenient, and it does not basically prevents you from burning the material that you are ironing. Next to the thermostat, we have a little indication saying max, and that basically tells you to what level the water needs to be filled in the water tank. The same max symbol is on the right hand side as well, and there is nothing else on the right hand side. The bottom of the iron has a black heating plate with a few holes in it through which the steam escapes out from. One thing to note is that there is also a pilot lamp that would light up when we switch on the iron right under the base of the handle. Coming now to the cable, it has a swiveling function on the base of it to prevent breakage, and the cable itself is slightly less than 6 feet long, and at the end of the cable we have a standard 3-pin Indian plug that we find in most Indian households. So this was the unboxing of the Philips GC1905 steam iron. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.